Hello, welcome back to CompXM 2024, 2025 CompXM. The top 10 winning tips. In the first and the second video, previous video, I show you winning tip number 1, winning tip number 2, and now this video for winning tip number 3. And the update and add new product, I show you already 4 to 8 products to win, increase performance and reduce size each round, right? And winning tip number 4, the marketing, promotion and sales forecast calculation. I show you the detail now. The sales forecast calculation. So you see on the screen in the last video, we set the price for 4 segments. So start from here, the lowest one, the cheapest one, the low cost one, strip and core here, and nano and list. The order may be changed, so don't ever copy the number. I say it 100 times. Don't ever copy the number and paste into the game. You need to understand it's actually strip 22, core 28, nano 38, and 48 for 42 for the elite. And the order of the product might change. You need to look at this part of the report to find out the order of your product, which is the trip here, the lowest cost, and then core and nano and elite. The order this change from student to student, right? So be careful when you decide that. Be careful when you decide that. I say that again and again many times. You need to look at this, right? To make sure trip the lowest cost, core and nano elite. Sometimes trip jump to the first and the second is that order trip, core, nano, elite, right? And now winning tip number 4, the promotion and sales forecast calculation, right? Promotion and sales forecast calculation. So when to calculate the sales forecast, we use this number, right? We use this number and use the Excel file to calculate that. I show you the Excel file here for the first round 1 here, right? Trip, core, nano, elite, right? So we just calculate that. Here's the number of the first round and the growth of the segment. So we have the sales forecast here. We add to 5% to avoid running out of the stock, and then we put that into the game, right? The forecast here, right? So we put that in 1104 and 942 and 11599 and the next one 2116. So that's the way we calculate the sales forecast based on the unit we sold from last round, based on the unit we sold from last round, and based on the inventory we will calculate the production schedule. So this is very important. This is very important. You look at this, you see that again we set the price, we set the promotion and sale more for the trip and core in early rounds. Next round we can increase here for the nano elite, but first round this may be enough because they have more market share. And calculate the sales forecast based on the report here, right? Based on the report here, the unit we show here, and the segment growth. Okay, that's the winning tip for number 4, marketing, promotion and sales forecast calculation. If you have any question, just send the email to mbacim.faris@gmail.com. Or yeah, I forgot to show you the result. If you do right, the result will be like this. You get the top sale and top profit and top stop price and very high results. Okay, so again, if you have any question, just send the email to mbacim.faris@gmail.com or get the free support for our 1 and quick one. Thank you for watching. Good luck and success. Check the next video for the next tip.